Hey, I'm pulling into the yard here. We got some police here. They coming over here to investigate this stolen U-Haul. They just got done doing their check on that VIN check and everything on that stolen U-Haul. They're going to look at something else. They I think everybody's interested in vehicles. I think they probably got another one that they've been over here about that's stolen as well, and they're just looking at it right now is what they're doing. But we don't care. They can come over here and look all they want. And there's a little bit of speculation of what maybe this U-Haul was used during the protest down in Atlanta. It was picked up on the south side at off Cascade Road, which is not that far from where the protests were at, on the south side. And it does make sense to if you're going to be hauling and looting and everything else, you have a U-Haul to loot with. So we don't know for sure. That's why they're investigating it. All they're doing is doing their job. You know what I mean? Just like me. I yank them and they can come look at them if they want. When we pull them in, they wind up being stolen. Cars get recovered all the time because of towing companies that do this type of towing. This private property towing is necessary. A lot of people come on my channel, they don't understand why their cars are towed. They get mad about it. They think that it's not fair for us to tow the cars. But that's fine. If you don't want to live in Georgia, you know what I'm saying, you're welcome to move anywhere you want to move to. The laws are here in Georgia, if you're on private property, they got the right to tow your car. That's just how the laws are. We pull up and yank cars. You know, we do it strictly by the book. This tow channel here is probably the most transparent tow TV show, or if you could name any show. This is the most transparent towing you'll ever see anywhere. Everything I do is completely above board and by law, or we wouldn't be able to have this on YouTube. Anyway, peace. Hey there, I'm back on another one. I got one down here. It's the last one in that back corner on the left. It's a Versa. I've already checked the brakes off, so I'm gonna try to swoop in real quick and see if I can't get it on my wheel lift and get out of here. I've been having a lot of controversy. A lot of people are home. The properties are being lenient somewhat of tags, but if you ain't had a tag 6 months, or if you got January plates before the virus hit and you get hooked, you're gonna have to get towed or paid out one. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one set up. Drop my wheel lift on this. Finally got one. I don't see anybody running out back there. I think that's a looks like a rental car with the stickers on it. So I imagine the rental company have to come get it from us. The other one's got a bad tag. Anyway, it's pretty common. Rental car companies will rent you a vehicle with a bad tag on it. I've seen it happen, and I've towed numerous rental cars with bad tags. It's just what they do. You know, some of these properties, even the maintenance guys, don't particularly like us. Anyway, don't matter to me. I just do what I do. We'll roll to the next. Hey there. It's Tow Trucker. We're back. Looks like we got a couple people parking. Some people that don't know how to park. Guess they're gonna have to get taught a lesson. Here's one of them right here, a Honda Odyssey. I'm getting ready to get that. Yeah. A resident wants me to tow him too, so I got one more over here. You see, I'll let you look at it. I'm fixing to hook it too. Park any which way you want to. Anyway, we're gonna hook them up and get out of here. How's it going?
That's my car.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just trying to get some tools to get it out. I mean, kind of
you didn't get stuff out of it?
No, that's my car. It's just the tire is flat, right? And the battery is not turning on, so I'm just getting some tools to get it out.
Yeah. One second. It's you see how it's parked, man? It's been here for a long time.
Yeah.
Hey, listen, you basically.
Yeah.
Basically, the way the law is, man,
I mean,
the car don't run.
Yeah,
It's double parked, man. They called it in.
No, I had not parked it here, so I parked it somewhere else. I think during the some maintenance work.
Yeah.
Somebody pulled up here, so I was not even aware of that.
Yeah.
So,
well, I understand, but right now it's leaving the property.
I got it.
It's got to go. If you need to get anything out of it.
No, I'm here to take care of it. I got all the tools.
Well, it's too late for that, man. It's too late. I can't leave here. I got to tow it.
No, don't leave it here then.
No, I can't leave. I can't leave the car because hey, it's double parked and it don't run, and it's been sitting here for a long time.
I know. That's why I've been.
Hey, once they call them, I know, and it don't run. If it ran, I could leave it. It don't right now.
No. I understand. Yeah, I absolutely understand what you're saying. Yeah. And that's the reason I had to struggle to get all the tools because of all this.
Well, I understand, but they've already called it in. I'm here to get the car. I can't leave here at the car. If the car is running, I'm not hooked to it. You could drive it off, but right now.
No, it is running. I got the battery jumper.
If you can't crank the car up right now and run it, I got to tow it out because that's what they call me to do.
I understand. I totally understand.
And I'm not trying to be mean. That's what they call me to do.
I totally understand you're doing this job.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is I got the battery jumper.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, man, you're gonna have to come get it from the lot.
No. So that's what I'm trying to ask you. So what can I do? Because I just came out with the tools.
I mean, I'm not trying to be rough, man.
No. I get it. I totally understand. It's just been things have been out of my.
Well, it's just
The thing is, I was expecting these tools to get delivered last week.
Yeah.
Because of the slowdown and other things.
Well, this is it was tagged for being it was stickered for improperly parked.
Yeah, I get it. But
it's got to get towed, man. I mean, that's just what it is, man.
No, sir, I understand.
Yeah.
But all I'm
Yep.
I'm just asking for your advice here.
Yeah, advice, man. It's too late for the advice, man. I can give you. It's too late because they called it in improperly parked.
Something I'll pay you. How much I need to pay you now?
I'm
not denying that you need to do what you're doing.
Yeah. It's just
Okay, so
hey, call that number. Hey,
do me a favor.
listen, call that number and ask him what you can do.
Can I talk to you for a minute, though?
Well, I gotta load the car.
At least tow this to the mechanic so that I'll pay for you whatever it is.
Well, listen, talk to my boss because he sent me on the call. You can talk to him. Yeah. You can talk to my boss. Yeah.
Take my stuff out of this. Just give me two.
If you want to get some stuff out, that's fine. Go ahead and get it out.
Yeah, then.
Yeah, get some stuff out, man.
understand. Listen, I understand.
I know we are.
I understand.
But
I understand, but listen, we got contracts. We remove cars,
okay.
and when they call us to get a car, hey, we take the car. That's just how the contract, how it works.
You said you have one more car to take care, right?
I'm already hooked to this car.
Oh, sir, I got it.
You're gonna have. Listen, man. I'm being nice to you. Listen.
No, I get it, sir. Just give me 15 minutes, okay?
No, just go to that address, man.
Take out my stuff. Give me 15 minutes.
15 minutes? No, bro. I can't. I've already been here 10 minutes, man, talking to you.
Then how much time will you got to take out my stuff?
I'm fixing to load this car, man, and go to the next one, man. I have to. That's what my job is to do.
I get it, sir. I'm ready to pay.
Yeah.
It's my mistake. I'm absenting.
Anyway, I want to make this clear to my viewers. This guy right here has got another car. This is an extra car he's got that evidently he loaned it out to somebody, and or it's been sitting somewhere. Shut this beeper off, but I got to get this other car hooked. This gentleman's got another car. There's no question about that at all. And he's trying to play that game that it's his only car, but he's got another car. That's a guarantee. Anyway, this property here is one of those properties that are actually very lenient. But these cars have been sitting here for months. But both these cars should have been towed a long time ago. They didn't tow them in the middle of the pandemic because they were trying to be nice. But now that everything's back opened up again, they're going to start towing cars like these. They're both very, very dirty, and they've been sitting, you can tell by all the debris on the cars that they've been sitting here for months. Anyway, that's just what happens to them. We tow them, we show up and tow them, and it don't matter if the people come out or not, they still get towed if they don't run. I couldn't do a payout on property because this vehicle don't run. Anyway,